followed the social pages for a while, you know there's been an airplane raffle. And we want to take this moment to announce the winner of that raffle now. That individual is that, I want to get the name right, and I apologize in advance if I butcher it, Ben Whabnoski. Ben Whabnoski. In front, oh, hold on. Excuse me, are you Ben Whabnoski, sir?
I'm on the airplane ride. I'm on the airplane ride.
You did, congratulations. No, sir, you cannot fly the F-18. We have an airplane ride for you in the Super Cub, and it's not a jet, but if you pretend it could be. Hey, Ben, Liz is here, and she's going to take you flying. She's down there. You see her in the blue shirt? Yeah, the black and silver airplane. Please, yes. Someone towed your gremlin?
No, it's a classic. It's got the denim interior.
The denim seats? The denim seats, okay. Liz, are you good with this guy? Thumbs up. Okay, Ben, excuse me, yeah, Ben, Master Sergeant Lugo will take you out there. Oh boy, what an interesting character we have here today. For those of you who have followed the social media pages for the show, we did of course have a raffle. This is the winner of our raffle. There's Ben Whabnoski. Congratulations to him. And Liz Franklin with Franklin's Flying Circus is actually going to be taking him on a very quick airplane ride. We've got just a couple of seconds here before we turn things over to the next speaker, the T-33. But we're going to get Ben in there. Hey Liz, just get him in the airplane. You got it. You know what I'm saying. All right, sounds good. We're going to get him firmly strapped into the seats there, and our air show action will continue. We apologize a little bit for the brief delay here, but we'll be off and running with more of our air show action here in just a couple of moments. This aircraft, let's bring it to the wing there. No, sir. Oh, no. Sir, will you choose to get in the airplane, not on the airplane? You're trying to strap it like a mechanical bull or something. Oh. Liz, this guy is all over the place right now. Ben, please. Poor Liz, she's part pilot, part babysitter right now. Gosh. Do we need to get her somebody else to go? Because this guy is just all over the place. Now this is going to be fun. Well, the air boss says we've got a couple of moments of time here. We worked it into the schedule, so we're gonna make that happen. This is the Piper Super Cub, and it's an airplane that traced its lineage to the original Piper Cub in the 1930s. It's a classic airplane. There you go, Liz. Sounds good. This aircraft is pretty rudimentary as far as things go. It's fabric covered. It's made with pretty much a wooden construction. This one's got 180 horsepower on board, and it is great for just going up and flying. Right? It is just a fun airplane flying through and through. And Liz, an accomplished pilot in her own right, wheel qualified pilot as well, and she is the pilot inside the Piper Super Cub right now. As we do this just very quick, lap around the pattern, and we'll get this Ben Whabnoski guy down for our back. Well, that's done, right? Boss, I don't know, Ben. I'm not sure why they're doing circles. You know what? I bet they got a stuffed tail wheel. Often we land these airplanes in grass, and often that little tail wheel's got a couple little springs on it. They can get detached every once in a while. Liz is out of the airplane. Liz, yeah, I think it's just that stuck tail wheel linkage, Liz. I don't know what else. Oh, no, this is not good. No, please, someone please activate the adult supervision. This is not good whatsoever. Liz. Oh. Liz, what happened? Liz, what happened? What? Ben Whabnoski. That's the guy's name, Ben Whabnoski. That's the guy's name. Oh, he's flying all over the place. Liz is out out of the airplane. Ben is in the airplane. This is not good. This is not good at all. He can barely walk straight. I'm not really sure if he can fly straight. That's not turbulence, ladies and gentlemen. That's just him. Back on the backside of the pyro field. I don't know if our buddy Rick Myers can help us out or not out there. I'm going to see if I can talk to Ben on the radio. I'm just not really sure if we can. I'm going to try. Ben, this is Luke, the announcer. Can you hear me? No, that didn't work. I'm not even sure if he knows how to use the radio, but always coming down from the right. Liz is about as calm as someone watching their crock pot explode right now. He is landed. Oh, there's a wing digger there. Up, down, there's a landing. There's almost a landing. There's also almost a landing. Liz, I would not go any further out there if I was I'm pretty sure that I'm not sure what to do right now. I feel like this airplane is doing maneuvers I've only seen in cartoons. He's about to stall the airplane. Oh, there he goes. This guy. I'm laughing because I want to just call the position right now. I'm not really sure what to do with him. He's heading over there towards the fire truck. The birds in the trees are flying away. I don't want to do with this guy. Even the clouds are away. This guy has the state control of a sweet drive raccoon. I'll tell you what. The aerodynamics have feelings that being violent right now. There he is, left, right, sideways, slideways. Is that the word? There's a bump and touch him. Something. There he goes. I'm down. Ben, can you hear me? Of course you can. There it goes. It's over there now behind the rafter. It's going to get closer to that. Flying. You slide when it's landing with some sort of aeronautical turn. This big guy knows how to do it. That's right. Watch out, Michael T. Whoa. Oh, watch out, look. And the family, they come from a lineage of award-winning Airshow people. And Kyle's dad, the late Jimmy Franklin, award-winning Airshow pilot, Kyle served as a wing walker, believe it or not, for his dad for many, many years. And just an incredible family. They've added their newest addition, Athena, and well, anyway, we've got a little more to go as part of Kyle's comedy routine. Out there bouncing on the grass, doing more touch and goes than we can shake a stick at, scaring every single rabbit that's out there and who knows what else. One wing down, take a look at that. And just sliding across, just using the rudder, that big oversized rudder allows him to pretty much almost kind of power steering, if you will. And gosh, what's just an incredible world-class talent. Now, here's what's going to happen, because Kyle is going to reposition the land here in a second, and he is going to continue to fly this airplane to the very last ounce. A little bit earlier, we saw him do his dead stick routine, where he actually shut the engine down in flight. He's not necessarily going to do that this time, but he's saying hello to our buddy Greg Collier down there. He got a whole windscreen full of Piper Cub there for a couple of seconds. But watch him as he touches down with one wheel. Take a look at this. Bouncing a bit just for fun, just because he can. Now, he's going to continue to hopscotch his way down the taxiway, and he's going to work his way into show center. Depending on the winds, will depend on how he can hold this. Take a look at this. He's going to hold it on one tire. The airplane is only moving at about 15, maybe less miles an hour. He's got some wind flow, airflow over the wing, and he's actually still flying the airplane, even though he's going very, very slow indeed. And he's going to continue to work his way around. Here's the hard part, because he's got to turn left on the taxiway, Charlie, and work his way in to show center, where Liz is standing out here. And we're going to see if he can make the turn. This is like the most challenging thing of our show today, believe it or not. And he's going to continue to fly this airplane, don't get him on the ground all the way to show center. Incredibly talented pilot, and of course bringing some levity to our show. Now, Ben Whabnoski exists in the imagination of Kyle Franklin, and Ben Whabnoski, he's got one more maneuver up his sleeve, and it is this. Watching the proper stop, the tail turn around, he will go underneath the airplane. Ladies and gentlemen, if you would, please go